Hey everyone, in this video we are going to talk about how to create PowerPoint presentation in 2 minutes. So this one PPT I have created in 2 minutes. Same way, this one is also created in 2 minutes. So let's check how to create this kind of PPTs in 2 minutes. So there is one website name is Gamma.app. So with the help of this site I have created these PPTs. So click on sign up for free. Okay, if you are doing first time login, then you have to sign up. And here they will ask to log in with your Gmail ID, otherwise you can enter your any personal mail ID and just continue with Google. So this one is my mail ID and just continue. Now here it is asking that you are personal or team or company. So you can select accordingly. I'm just going with personal and my workspace name is Madhav Yadav's workspace. You can change as per your requirement. Now I have to give just basic information for personal use, what kind of work you are doing, finance, and how did you hear about us. So I heard from YouTube, so I'm just selecting this. Now there are three options to generate PPTs. Okay, how would you like to generate? First one is paste in text. If you have some text, some content, then you can go with the first option. So you can copy and paste here with the help of first option. If you are totally blank and if you do not have any kind of outline or text, then you can go with the second option. And if you have some file, okay, which contains such kind of text and all, so you can go with the third option and simply go with the second option. So click here. Now you can create presentation, document, as well as web page. So in this video we are going to talk about only presentation part. You can change language and you can also select card. Okay, so card means here how many slides do you require. So till 10 slides it's free, and for 15-20 you have to select a plan. Now you have to enter what kind of presentation or topic of presentation. Okay, so I simply enter that I need a presentation on Sensex versus Nifty 50. You can enter any kind of prompt here. It will generate presentation in proper way. Okay, I simply enter Sensex versus Nifty 50, then generate outline. So within 5 seconds it will generate outline. As you can see here, total 10 cards are there. You can change, you can modify, you can move. Okay, now you can see that here 400 credits are there, and to create this presentation I need to pay 40. So in one shot, if you want to create a free, then you can create total 10 PPTs with the help of one email ID after, and that would be free of cost. Now just continue. Now you have to select the theme. Okay, so dark, light, professional, and colorful. There are four options, so you can select accordingly. I'm just simply select professional and light theme. Now you have to select a particular theme from here, and you can also select after generation. Okay, I simply select this one and click on generating. So once you click here, our PPT presentation generation is in process. Okay, so it may take 30 to 40 seconds. So as you can see that AI is generating. Don't close this tab while generation is in process. So you have to just wait and watch. Here don't close or don't refresh the tab. Okay, so as you can see, your presentation is finished generating. So our presentation is ready and it is seems good. Some of the images has been taken from net. So if you want to change this image size and do, you can do it from here. You can change the style of presentation and all. Okay, you can also change fonts. You can replace images with your own images. So here it is option of images. You can search from web, you can upload your images, you can give URLs. Okay, if you want to add some other images, then you can do it from here. Let me just show you. So this one is AI generate images. Okay, so might be size not fit in your presentation, so you have to just make little bit modification here. Okay, now suppose after generation, if you want to change any theme, okay, so you can do it from here, edit theme. So again you will get the as you got option earlier, so you can select accordingly here. I don't want to select, I select this one. No, let's go with this one, velvet. Yeah, this seems good. So this one is ready. You can present this PPT, you can preview, you can see in full screen, okay, from this option. And if you want to export this PPT, then you have to click on share and then export. So you can export in PDF as well as PowerPoint presentation. I recommend personally that you should go with the PowerPoint presentation. Okay, and whenever you generate a file, there is a badge of this website made with Gamma, and if you want to remove it, then you have to select the plus one. But if you generate in PPTX, okay, in PowerPoint presentation, then you can do it easily. Let me show you how to do it after downloading finish. So exporting is in process. It may take some time. It is totally depending on your internet connection. Okay. Yeah, your export is ready. Now let's open this one, untitled PPTX. So as you can see, so this one is badge. I have to just select it and just click on delete button. Same way my name, I don't want my name here. So on each slide there is badge, so you have to remove it by selecting one by one. Okay, so as you can see here, some text is not proper, so you have to check this presentation after generation, because it is AI generated PPT, so sometime it may take some error, etc. So you have to just look this slide gradually and you can make modifications as per your requirement. Same way you can also change images, you can add some slide, you can remove some slide. So in this manner we can create PPTs with the help of internet. So this is for today. Thanks for watching. Kindly like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.